In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these almond butter crisps, which are very similar to Rice Krispie Treats, except there's no processed sugar or artificial flavors in it. So if you want to get the full recipe, head on over to our blog where we have all the measurements and very detailed description, but follow along right here so you can see how quickly you can make these at home. First up, we are going to take 1 cup of brown rice syrup and put it into a saucepan. If you're not able to get brown rice syrup, you can also use honey. Just make sure it's a super thick kind. Usually raw and processed is the way to go. Right, the next ingredient is pure vanilla extract. And then we're going to add in some coconut oil. I might help using this. Okay, now we're going to put it on the stove and bring it to a rolling boil for about 1 minute. All right, now we're gonna add the almond butter. The good stuff, just scrape it down with a spatula. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, or a lot depending on how much you like cinnamon. I like it a lot, so I'm gonna put a lot in. And then a pinch of salt. We're going to stir it all up. And it's pretty thick, and this is good because it's going to hold together the cereal so it can turn into compact bars. All right, the last step is to add in the brown rice cereal. I'm gonna do it, we're halfway. I'm gonna start mixing it. I gotta mix it all together. And it's gonna get pretty dry. But make sure everything is coated so that when we put it in the pan, it's gonna stick together. Now we are gonna pour our Rice Krispie Treats into a dish that is lined with parchment paper, which makes it easier to clean. And I'm all about that. I'm gonna switch hands. This is heavy. And now you're gonna wanna push it down as tight as you can into your dish. Something that I like to do is take a second sheet of parchment paper and use that to push on top. All right, and once it's in there tightly, you're just gonna let it sit for a little bit to caramelize and harden, and then it'll be ready to cut. Now that the almond butter crisp is set, we're gonna take it out and cut it up. Okay. I like to cut it into little tiny squares, so they're bite-sized pieces. And feel free to change it up. You can also add chocolate chips to this, or dates, anything that you want to kind of make it more exciting for you and your family. chocolate chips would be really good in it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you make this delicious recipe. It is from my new book, Simple Green Meals. And if you want more recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up too. Thanks a lot. Bye. Oh God. These are addicting. They are good, you guys. And these are the best ones yet. Because I sprinkled sea salt on top. Oh my gosh.
That should just be a video of all of us coming and eating them.
That's what I'm doing. I'm not.
Oh, I forgot that. I keep going. I don't know how you talked after eating that.